I am Riccardo Chiesa. I'm a owner of a small company called Terabyte. I have only a couple of assistants, so I'm an owner and I'm also a software developer of my company. We implemented some software for our customer. The problem is basically we start with the PDF implementation because before Syncfusion we developed some application with mainly Windows Forms, and we use basic printing function in .NET. So we start with print and then we use Windows printing, and we're searching for something that we can create the PDF without the printing system. .NET for Windows Form, so Visual Studio or C#. And from this summer we start also with mainly PDF. We also use Word creation, Excel creation, and in future I think we can start with the charts function of Syncfusion. So the benefits, we use also AI, artificial intelligence, to develop the last application. One benefit is that also with AI is really easy to implement. No problem with the compiling of the solution, because when you compile, normally have many bugs or errors. There are other problems, but not with Syncfusion. I think now we start with chart and data vision. Now we're using Copilot GitHub because it's inside the Visual Studio. With the AI, an easy user experience for our customer because they don't have to click and print and check the print. Only one button, click and generate the PDF or the Word or other documents. But also with the AI, I explain what I want from the PDF. The library is generated well. We recommend, because it's a solid system. In the 2 or 3 projects from this summer to now, I don't have problem with this library in debug, in writing the code. Strong code, no problem. The app, we use it in web, like FPDF for PHP generating PDF. So the plan is to continue to use Syncfusion and implement and try the other feature, because now we start with charts and data vision. So I think we go on